Mean time to recovery, also known as mean time to restore, measures the average time it takes the team to get a service up and running when an outage happens. It's one of the stability DORA metrics. It can be defined alternatively as the time between the report being created and the fix being deployed to production. Obviously, bugs are not good, and the quicker a team can recover from them, the better. Quick recovery and response times are a reflection of the team's ability to diagnose problems and correct them. Measuring mean time to recovery makes the team more careful and concerned about the quality throughout the entire development process. Mean time to recovery can be improved by keeping PRs small, building a CI/CD system that quickly reports failure, ensuring there's a process in place to take immediate action on failures, prioritizing recovery from failure over all other tasks, and increasing deployment frequency. Increasing deployment frequency to improve mean time to recovery may sound counterintuitive, but actually, the more you change in production with smaller changes, the better you understand each of those changes. If you ship a bunch of changes at once from 10, 20, 50 plus devs, and something goes wrong, you have no idea which one of those changes caused it. But if you're shipping code 1 or 2 small PRs at a time, when something fails, you can more quickly identify what caused it, and your teams can get to fixing it sooner. So clearly, DORA metrics are important, and LinearB helps you track them easily. In fact, we give you a DORA metrics dashboard right out of the box. Check it out at the link in the description.